Okay, this is our second cognitive radio demo, and this is using the Raspberry Pi again. So the API is running on the Pi. We've got the LCD and the keypad, and the scenario this time is a capability called best site analysis. So what's happened here is our radio has wandered into a signal black spot down here in the village of Cranham. We can't get a signal and we can't talk to that distant station to the west. So what we can do is we can press 5 on the keypad, which will do a search of the area. So I'm going to press 5 now. It's searching, and if you look at the console here, it's found a better location. So it did a radial search around our position, and if you go 180 degrees, 150 meters south, you will expect a signal of minus 81 dBm. So just to verify that, just from this position here, I'm just going to click on the map, head south 180, and here we are. We've verified that the system is recommending the clearest signal can be found if you just go south 150 meters. So a nice, easy capability. We can also do more with this. With the keypad, we can actually walk around the area virtually. So I can go north, east, southwest with 2, 4, 6, and 8, and I can actually speculate about what we could expect. So I'm just going to press D to reset, and then I'm just going to walk south in 50-meter steps. I can see the signal improving. Another 50-meter step, signal improving. 50-meter step. Okay, so 3 steps of 50 meters, and then we can get a good signal. And I'll just reset back to my position now with D. So I now know where to go.